Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have ordered resin art kit from Amazon and going to try out it for the first time and also going to share my experience with you. Let's unbox it and see what all are the materials provided and what we can create with these materials. Here is the keychain rings and jump rings, earrings and jump rings, some paper cups, silicone mold, one for pendant and one for earring. The earring mold is very small as compared to my expectation. You can also see the thickness. There is another silicone mold. Now comes my favorite. There are 6 colors of glitter, gold and silver foils and 5 opaque pigment colors. Let me open this and show you. There is also 3 pearl pigment. Here comes the main part, the resin and the hardener. This is a 3:1 resin. This is the alphabet mold for keychains. This is the guide to show how to use resin and all. And there are 6 plastic hand gloves and there are some ice cream sticks. This is all we get in the kit. Now it's time to pour the resin. I am wearing gloves to ensure safety. Now I will mix the resin and the hardener in the ratio 3:1. 3 part of resin and 1 part of hardener. Mixing it well. I am using pink pearl pigment, white opaque pigment and pink opaque pigment and also using blue glitter. Adding clear resin and mixing this as well. Now I have started pouring resin and also adding color to it. For alphabet S, I am experimenting, so I am using leaf skeleton. I have cut the leaf skeleton into smaller pieces and adding those pieces one by one and covering the whole alphabet. I have filled some other alphabet as well. As you can see, here I have used glitter and for T I have used opaque pigments. I am removing it after 24 hours. Let's see the final look once I remove it. Here is the final look.